Project code ITIMP25. Project title Detecting Diabetic Mellitus using Convolutional Neural Network Technique. Our aim: detect the diabetic with the help of tongue images. These two are the tongue images from the. This is the diabetic patient's image. This is a normal person image. So with this help of these images, we will be detect the person is a diabetic or not. So how it will differentiate now? First of all, is a tongue difference between is a dry condition in the tongue, is a wet condition. These two these two difference we will be classify the person having diabetic or not. Here we used a fuzzy C model to detect the tongue segmentation. And finally, using the CNN to classify the diabetic or not. So in existing concept, they used in GVF, gradient vector flow. In gradient vector flow is a snake technique model. So for example, this is a tongue image mean the snake will be moving around the images. Likewise, the features will be taken. With the features, we use with the features we classify the things like Bayes classifier or SVM classifier. So some drawbacks is not get the features correctly, so the accuracy is low. Proposed concept, in proposed we use fuzzy C means. Fuzzy C mean is a tongue images mean based upon the pixel values, it will be segmented. Is an unsupervised learning model. With the unsupervised learning model, get the features. With the help of these features, we classify the diabetic or not. Proposed advantage. So accuracy is high. It's a memory efficient and early detection. So existing techniques is a active counter model. So GVF active counter mean same. This is images get the features with the help of snake pictures. Proposed techniques CNN and fuzzy C mean. CNN is classifier, fuzzy C means segmented algorithm. With this 12 to classify the disease or not. Disease or not. This is a plot diagram. First of all, taken the input image from folder into MATLAB, and next pre-processing. So here we used RGB to gray conversion or black and white conversion, and next segmentation. In segmentation we used fuzzy C mean, and next feature extraction we used kurtosis likewise, and area based model. Finally, with the help of CNN, classify the disease or not. So main aim in doctor analyzing and early detection. In future, they use a new algorithm to differentiate the disease or not. Software MATLAB 2018A is enough for the project. So why using MATLAB mean? It's an easy and understandable language. So it has lot of toolboxes like machine learning and deep learning toolbox. So hardware 64-bit OS is enough for the project. So conclusion, find the diabetic mellitus with the help of tank images to identify disease or not. Thank you.